So let's verify pictorially this inequality then. Let's draw the complex numbers by means of vectors here. So let's draw OA first then, shall we? Z1 rather. There, and then we'll draw Z2, which we can draw up here, say. And then if we transplant Z2 across here, so I just find the crosshairs now. And I think I can go from there and draw that in there, like so. And then we can join the line up, can't we, with the origin? So we've got this distance here is Z1 plus Z2, isn't it, when you add the two? So let's mark them in then. So here's Z1. Here's Z2. When you move that across to here, you get Z1 plus Z2 is here. We can label this point as A. We can label this point as B. So here we can see that OB, that length, plus the length BA is always greater than OA, that length there. But if it's collinear, and there's a special cases there, then it could actually give rise to equality. So you've got to be careful there. So we'll put the equality in as well. Slightly weaker condition. And the other condition, we've done OB and that side. What about the other two? So what about BO, the length BO, plus OA? That's always going to be bigger than those two sides. It's going to be bigger than AB, isn't it? The length of AB. We put equals because of collinear, special case in the when they're collinear. Okay, so here, so what do we get then? OB, that distance there, we get Z1 plus Z2 modulus, that distance, plus the distance BA. B to A is the distance Z2, is greater than OA. OA is the distance Z1. And we've got on the second one, OB or BO, it's the same thing, is that same thing here, plus OA, which is this distance here, which is the modulus of Z1 as a distance, is greater than or equal to AB. A to B is the modulus of Z2, isn't it, this distance here? So we've got that. So it's just slightly move things around now then. So this implies, so we've got this, so Z1, I'm going to read from right to left and leave the Z1 there, and then move the Z2 over, minus Z2 through the inequality, and I'm reading from right to left, so that's less than or equal to Z1 plus Z2, and the other thing we get is the Z2 minus, I move the Z1 over to be minus, Z1 is going to be less than or equal to, reading from right to left, Z1 plus Z2. Now this value here is none other than minus Z1 minus Z2 if you took a minus outside a bracket. So what we've got here is both this number and the negative of the same number is less than or equal to the modulus of Z1 plus Z2. So whatever sign this number has, it's always less than. So in other words, the modulus of this number, so we can just write that, is less than or equal to Z1 plus Z2. There we go.